Sushant Singh Rajput's death shattered the entire nation. 1 month have passed. Still, people are craving for justice for Sushant. Social media is still ablaze. Petitions are filed against the imaginary culprits. Still, we don't know the secret. What really came over Sushant on that terrible day? In memoriam, we are presenting a fantastic interview by Sushant Singh Rajput. This interview was quite insightful, which brought out the real Sushant in many aspects. He has given this interview to Filmfare magazine. Sushant was born to face the camera. Acting comes to him naturally. Slowly but steadily, he is proving the critics and to his fans that he is a perennial talent. In an age of instant gratification, his focus lies simply on the method. It's okay if the film doesn't do well. Yash Raj Films' detective Bomkesh Bokshi, for example, barely pulled the mullah. But it doesn't affect Sushant Singh Rajput. He will continue to work on his roles. His old school approach doesn't quite gel with the times. It's odd, but it also resonates a sense of solidarity and maturity. He is not a part of the game. He is not vying for 100 crore club. He is not playing it to the gallery. Yet, he is ferociously ambitious and he'd give anything to succeed. Here is a strikingly serious man with stunning contrasts in his personality. Incredibly likable, veritably hot, supremely talented, and yet every adjective seems to do a disservice to the actor and his sense of detachment. And yet his masculinity is perfect sync with the mystique he has managed to create. Sushant Singh Rajput is a man competing with his own ideas and desires, a league of his own. That was what Filmfare said about him, and the way Sushant Singh Rajput answered their questions were marvelous. The question was, your latest outing, Detective Bomkesh Bokshi, was critically acclaimed but failed to bring in the numbers. His answer was, that's ironical. It should have converted into numbers. Not because it's my film, but because it's a brilliant film. I am proud of what Dibakar Banerjee has made. This has been the most honest portrayal of Bomkesh. I have received encouraging feedback from everyone, including the critics. Actually, I am immune to numbers. When I stop getting my kind of films, because the numbers they are making, then I'll think about it. Then I might turn producer and think about things, which will get me the numbers, so that I can do all those films I want to do as an actor. The only thing that I am in control of is my own performance in film, and I am taking care of that. What an honest confession. After that, he goes on saying his mind. The question was, you had a special screening of Detective Bomkesh Bokshi for Amir Khan. What was his response? And what Sushant Singh Rajput said was really memorable. He and Kiran Rao loved the film. They messaged me the next morning saying how much they liked the film and my performance. It meant a lot. And what was that message? Amir Khan wrote to Sushant, hi Sushant, wonderful work. Congratulations and well done. But how did your girlfriend Ankita Lokhande react to the film? Sushant said, Ankita and my family loved the film. She said that not in one frame did she feel that I was acting. In fact, she couldn't see me in any frame. The question was, if you could spy on someone in real life, who would it be? Amir Khan was the answer. He is doing all kinds of films and playing such different characters. It's difficult to sustain motivation and passion the way he does. He is a superstar, yet in every film he convinces us that he is the character. I want to know the secret of this art. People are comparing your quest for perfection with that of Amir Khan. Do you feel proud or pressurized? I haven't been told this as yet. But whatever I do, I give my 100% to it. There has been an upward graph. I guess Detective Bomkesh Bokshi was my best performance. Because of Dibakar, I learned there is another way of approaching a character. If I keep doing this job of convincing people about my characters, people will say he is perfecting the craft. And I don't mind that tag. The question was, how are you preparing to play MS Dhoni in the biopic? Sushant answered, first, I have to convince myself that I am that character. Also, people know how Dhoni walks, talks, his mannerisms, so bit of imitation comes in. You begin imitating from outside and then go inside the character. On the day of shoot, I must believe I am the character and not an actor. Sushant was not that type of actor who valorizes struggling days. According to him, there is no struggle as such. If I was dancing behind Shah Rukh Khan as a background dancer, those can't be called my struggling days. I was also happy doing theatre when one day somebody asked me to do television. While I was doing television for 2.5 years, played Manav in Pavitra Rishta, I was called to audition for Kai Poche. It's been an organic transition. There was no desperation. I enjoyed all that I did. I was earning well too. I quit my engineering job to be here. There have been no regrets. But what is struggle then? According to Sushant Singh Rajput, if you have huge goals and you obsess about them, you become desperate. You make wrong choices. You get sleepless nights. And one day you might even achieve that goal. But it's not the right way to go about it. You have to love what you do and do not crib about it. Then there is no struggle. Bollywood is a place of huge competition. Competition from the contemporaries. How did Sushant Singh Rajput compete with Varun Dhawan, Siddharth Malhotra, and Arjun Kapoor? Out came the answer. The day I stop getting the films I want to do is when I'll analyze what is going wrong and what others are doing right. Right now, I am only aware of the extreme expectations of my directors and audience. After Bomkesh, many told me, wow, super! We are waiting for your next film. The day these expectations cease, I will wonder where I am going wrong. Right now, I don't have time. Last but not the least, Sushant Singh Rajput never ever suffered of insecurity. You want to listen what was his perception regarding insecurity? Sushant said, you name anyone, be it a director, producer, editor, actor, spot boy, everyone is insecure. It's just that actors are out there. It's natural to yearn for stardom, fame, money, and appreciation. And one thing that's constant is change. You may try hard to hold on to something that you have earned, but you know that you will not be able to hold on it because even if you give your best, there are many factors that decide the fate of the film. Also, we take numbers seriously. If nothing else, you could lose to age. All that is dreamy and beautiful, you are bound to lose someday. There is no way to get rid of this psychological insecurity. People may be fearless. There is nothing like being fearless. You just choose not to think about it. Everyone is insecure. Everyone is fearful.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Show House.
Absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
आत्मविश्वास होना, अपने से प्यार हो तो कोई भी बाधा बड़ी नहीं लगेगी आपको.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
I think she's different at different places.
Be progressive. Be positive. Do yourself. Understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sufi and you're watching Sharmila Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
Hi, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.